For automatic lithium battery drilling machine ARD-4B, it can be realized automatic drilling and tool head retraction just by pressing one button. The quick change bit design allows the bit to be disassembled and assembled without tools. Well-suited rail jig shortens the assembling and disassembling time to less than 10s. Laser positioning, which is more convenient to measure and check the drilling position. Intelligently analyze the number of holes of different drill bits corresponding to the remaining pile. Unique cooling system ensures long time and high intensity operation.